am number one. Like when my period starts, everybody in the house, they know that it has come. Alright, so in this video, I'll be diving right into the topic that actually affects every woman, which is periods. Yes. So before I say this, hey YouTube, this video is strictly for informational and educative purposes. So please, the disclaimer is out there. Okay? Alright, so straight to the video. So fear not, I have got some amazing period tips and hacks to help you thrive and survive during the menstrual cycle. Okay, so stick around, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe down below, give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this informative video to your friend, to somebody out there who is interested or who just wants to level up their, self-care routine or their self-care journey, especially at this time. Okay? So tip number 1, track your cycle. Yes. Understanding your menstrual cycle can be a game changer, and this will actually help you to know what to expect when each cycle occurs, okay? So nowadays, there are actually many apps that can help you track your cycle, record your symptoms and all that, such as the Flow app, the Lady Timer app. There are plenty. I'm going to leave them somewhere on the screen and also leave their links down below so you should check them out. Also download those apps if you're an iOS user. Check out your Apple Store and download them. So there's actually no excuse right now not to know what to expect or how to prepare for your cycle. So these apps would help you. Personally, for me, I use the Lady Timer app. It has been so good. It accurately predicts the time my next cycle will start, the ovulation. You'll see a place where you can record your symptoms and all that, and it can actually help you to calculate your due pregnancy date. If you put in the right information, it will help you track that also. Okay? So the next on the list is embracing heat therapy. Yes. Let's say you start having abdominal cramps, abdominal pain. Heat therapy can actually be your best friend. What do I mean by that? Grab a hot cup of tea. It could be your favorite chocolate tea. It could also be your normal tea. Ginger tea, grab anything hot. Yes, from ginger tea to green tea to chocolate tea. Embracing heat therapy is another tip that I would suggest you guys try out. Another thing is also grabbing the hot water bottle or the heating pad and use it to apply. Keep close, place it on your abdomen. That would also help ease out cramps. These are the tips I have actually tried. I am talking based on experience because heaven knows that when it comes to my period, it's been a struggle. So this video, I'm going to be doing more videos like this to talk more about healthy tips for young women like me out there. Okay, tip I would also suggest is that you engage in yoga or exercises. This will help reduce abdominal pain, cramping, and also boost your mood. So engage in any little kind of exercise. So next tip I have on the list is nourishing your body. Yes, at this season, at this time of the month, you need to be incorporating fruits and vegetables, mostly vegetables that are rich in iron. They would help with the moods, help with the cramping. Trust me, when it comes to mood swings during period, I am number one. Like, it's as if when my period starts, everybody in the house, they know that it has come. So with these tips I'm sharing with you guys, I've been able to control and manage my symptoms better. So incorporate nutritious food, nourish your body at this time. Very important. Okay, now the next tip is stocking up on your supplies. So it's essential to have a variety of menstrual products at hand. This would help you not to be surprised or get surprised when it pops out or shows up unexpectedly. Supplies such as menstrual pads, tampons, and all that. Every woman is different. Your choice of preferences are different. So stick with what works for you or what you like. Personally, for me, I love the Always Ultra menstrual pad. I love the Virony pad. There are many more I've actually tried out, but my favorite is Virony, Always Ultra, and yeah, the pink Always Ultra and the Virony. There are menstrual pads that come in a purse. What do I mean by that? They are plenty, they come in large quantities, so they can actually last you for the next cycle. So yeah, instead of buying all those small ones, you can stock up on those ones, and they actually cost 1,200 naira. So get those kind of menstrual pads and they will last longer for you. If possible, when you're buying, you can buy like 2 pads, or buy that one and buy the smaller ones. So for me, I use menstrual pad. Tampons are not really my thing, but if it works for you, you can try it out. Next tip on the list is self-care. What do I mean by that? Now, during your period, this is actually the time for you to pamper yourself a whole lot. Take care of yourself. You could watch a movie on the TV. You could just chill. You could just relax. Yes, that is actually what this time of the month is. So do a lot. Have a warm bath. Listen to amazing songs, amazing music. Read a beautiful novel. If you like romantic novels, you can try them out. You could read motivational stuff as well. So yeah, at this time, you need to pamper yourself. You need to show yourself some love. During periods, I love chocolates. There's been the scientific research, although I don't know how much it has been backed up, that suggests that having chocolates during menstrual periods would help elevate your mood. So if you're aware of this, please comment down below. Now, when I have chocolates, there's just something about them. They boost my excitement hormone and I feel a little bit better. During periods, some people tend to be more emotional. I am. And, a whole lot of emotions all over the place. So, chocolates will help you. So far so good. I hope this video has been very informative and I hope you've enjoyed it. Please comment down below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video, and see you in another one. Don't forget that God loves you more. Now, I'll be making a video real soon to answer a lot of skincare questions that my subscribers have asked me here on this channel. I know I've been saying I'll do that, but trust me, I'll certainly do that. I'll do that for you guys. We just hit 7K subscribers. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another one. Bye.